Life moves fast, but that doesn't mean your dinner can't be both quick and healthy. A nutritious meal after a long day is a real mood booster. And let's be honest, sometimes we just need dinner on the table, pronto. That's where this easy veggie stir-fry comes in. It's packed with good stuff and ready in a flash. This recipe proves that healthy eating doesn't have to be time-consuming or complicated. With a few simple ingredients and some basic kitchen staples, you can create a delicious and satisfying meal in minutes. So ditch the takeout menus, and let's get cooking. This stir-fry is bursting with vibrant fresh vegetables. Imagine a rainbow of colors sizzling in your pan, each one contributing its own unique flavor and texture. It's not just a feast for your taste buds, but also a visual delight. The beauty of a veggie stir-fry lies in its versatility and the sheer variety of vegetables you can use. Each one brings its own unique flavor and a whole lot of good stuff to the table. Here's what you'll need. Let's start with the basics and then explore some exciting additions you can make to elevate your stir-fry game. Broccoli, little trees of goodness, packed with vitamins and fiber. These green florets are not only nutritious, but also add a wonderful crunch to your stir-fry. They soak up the sauce beautifully, making every bite a burst of flavor. Carrots, sweet and crunchy. Carrots are great for your eyes. Their natural sweetness balances the savory elements of the dish, and their vibrant orange color adds a pop of brightness. Plus, they're loaded with beta-carotene, which is fantastic for your vision. Snap peas, crisp and refreshing, they add a lovely sweetness. These little green gems are perfect for adding a fresh, crisp texture to your stir-fry. They also bring a subtle sweetness that complements the other vegetables perfectly. Bell peppers, choose your favorite color. They're full of vitamin C. Whether you go for red, yellow, or green, bell peppers add a delightful crunch and a burst of color. They're also incredibly rich in vitamin C, which is great for your immune system. Ginger and garlic, these aromatic heroes add a powerful flavor punch. The combination of ginger and garlic is a classic in stir-fry dishes. They infuse the vegetables with a deep, aromatic flavor that is both spicy and savory. Plus, they have numerous health benefits, including anti-inflammatory properties. These are just our star players. Feel free to get creative with your veggie lineup. You can add mushrooms for an earthy flavor, zucchini for a tender bite, or even some leafy greens like spinach or kale for added nutrition. The possibilities are endless, and you can tailor your stir-fry to suit your taste and dietary preferences. We'll talk more about substitutions later. But for now, remember that the key to a great stir-fry is variety and balance. Mixing different textures and flavors will make your dish more interesting and satisfying. Remember, fresh is always best, but you can use frozen veggies in a pinch. Frozen vegetables are a convenient option and can be just as nutritious as fresh ones. They're perfect for those times when you need to whip up a quick meal without compromising on health. Just make sure to thaw them properly and drain any excess water before adding them to your stir-fry to avoid a soggy dish. Right. Let's get this stir-fry party started. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy stir-fry recipe that's perfect for any night of the week. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out in the kitchen, this dish is sure to impress. So, roll up your sleeves and let's get cooking. This recipe is all about keeping things simple and delicious. We're focusing on fresh, vibrant ingredients that come together in no time. The beauty of a stir-fry is its versatility. You can mix and match your favorite veggies and proteins to create a meal that's uniquely yours. First things first, chop those veggies into bite-sized pieces. Think bell peppers, carrots, broccoli, snap peas, whatever you have on hand. The key is to keep everything roughly the same size so they cook evenly. Don't rush this step. Take your time to ensure each piece is just right. Grab a large pan or wok and get it nice and hot over medium-high heat. The high heat is essential for achieving that perfect stir-fry texture, slightly crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. Make sure your pan is preheated before adding any ingredients. Add a dash of oil. I like to use sesame oil for its nutty flavor. It adds a wonderful depth to the dish. If you don't have sesame oil, you can use vegetable or canola oil. Just make sure it's an oil with a high smoke point. Now it's time for the ginger and garlic to make an appearance. These two ingredients are the backbone of many Asian dishes, providing a fragrant and flavorful base. Mince them finely to release all their aromatic oils. Let them sizzle for a minute until fragrant, then toss in your chopped veggies. The aroma of ginger and garlic cooking is simply irresistible. It's the signal that something delicious is on the way. Stir-frying is all about keeping those veggies moving. Use a spatula or wooden spoon to keep everything in motion. This ensures that each piece gets a bit of that high heat, cooking quickly and evenly. Toss them regularly so they cook evenly and keep their beautiful bright colors. The goal is to cook the vegetables just enough so they're tender but still have a bit of crunch. So far, so good. We're almost there. Just a few more steps and dinner will be served. At this point, you can add your favorite sauce, soy sauce, hoisin, or even a homemade stir-fry sauce. Give everything a final toss to coat the veggies in that delicious sauce. And there you have it. A quick, easy, and incredibly tasty stir-fry that's ready to enjoy. Bon appetit! Here are a few little tricks to take your stir-fry from good to great. Don't overcrowd the pan. Give those veggies space to breathe and cook evenly. If your pan is too crowded, they'll steam instead of fry. A wok's sloped sides are perfect for stir-frying, but a large skillet will do the job just fine. You want your veggies to be tender crisp, not mushy. Keep an eye on them and trust your instincts. Remember, cooking is all about having fun. Taste as you go and adjust the seasonings to your liking. Now let's talk about that delicious ginger soy sauce. Section 5. Veggie Venture Your Stir-Fry Your Way. This recipe is like a blank canvas for your culinary creativity. Imagine the possibilities as you mix and match different vegetables, creating a unique and delicious dish every time. The beauty of a stir-fry is its versatility and the freedom it gives you to experiment with flavors and textures. Feel free to swap in your favorite vegetables. Whether you love the crunch of bell peppers, the sweetness of carrots, or the earthiness of mushrooms, the choice is yours. You can even add seasonal vegetables to keep your stir-fry fresh and exciting throughout the year. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Mushroom magic. Add some sliced mushrooms for an earthy flavor boost. Mushrooms not only add a rich umami taste, but also bring a meaty texture that can make your stir-fry more satisfying. Try using different types of mushrooms like shiitake, portobello, or cremini for a variety of flavors. Sweet surprise pineapple chunks add a touch of sweetness and a taste of the tropics. The juicy, tangy flavor of pineapple can balance out the savory elements of your stir-fry, creating a delightful contrast. Plus, it adds a burst of color to your dish, making it visually appealing. Spice it up. A pinch of chili flakes will add a fiery kick. If you love a bit of heat, chili flakes are a great way to elevate your stir-fry. You can adjust the amount to suit your taste, whether you prefer a mild warmth or a bold, spicy punch. Other spices like ginger, garlic, and black pepper can also enhance the flavor profile. Remember, the key to a great stir-fry is to use fresh, high-quality ingredients, and don't be afraid to experiment. Fresh vegetables retain their vibrant colors and crisp textures, making your stir-fry not only delicious but also nutritious. And experimenting with different ingredients and seasonings can lead to exciting new discoveries in your kitchen. Now, let's get back to our stir-fry and add that flavor magic. With your creativity and these tips, you can transform a simple stir-fry into a culinary masterpiece. So grab your wok, gather your favorite ingredients, and let's get cooking. Section 6. Goodness in every bite nutritional powerhouse. This veggie stir-fry is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. It's a great source of vitamins A, C, and K to boost your immune system and keep you feeling your best. Fiber for healthy digestion and to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Antioxidants to protect your cells from damage and keep you healthy. And the best part? It's naturally low in fat and calories, making it a healthy and guilt-free meal option. Section 7. Ready, set, stir-fry. Are you ready to get your stir-fry on? This recipe is so easy and delicious, you'll be making it on repeat. Remember to have fun with it, get creative with your veggies, and don't be afraid to add your own personal touch. Now, what are you waiting for? Grab your ingredients and let's get cooking. Section 8. Stay connected. Subscribe to the E-Green channel. Subscribe to the E-Green channel, the brainchild of Seed Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for more interesting facts. Subscribe now and be part of our community.